What's up, guys? Welcome back to Indoraptor Overland and our weekend in a Beasley Knob. And this is day number 2, where we did a lot of tree cuts, more cut, and more cut. Then we winch and winch again. There's a little bit more winching. Then we did damage, more damage, fixed truck, and one more time fixed truck, just to end with putting tire in the fire. Welcome to Indoraptor Overland. It's only 2 of us, Rick with TRX and I with Indoraptor, and our first trail is going to be 93B, which is the red trail. And when we just walk up there, there was a Jeep having a little bit of trouble climbing up with these big rocks. So we were trying to see how that short wheelbase truck can handle with both front and rear differential before we trying that. And there was a little bit question we should do it or not, but of course we want to try and see how our truck can handle something like this. Just keep it like that. Keep it like that. Let's go. Driver.
Turn slightly driver in a second. Nicely done. Woo! Good job, man.
Did I hit a tree?
Yeah. Just a little. It was right back here. It was just a little tap. It's probably hidden.
Maybe with this, you know?
It might have been.
Yeah.
Yeah. There was something tapped, yeah.
Yeah.
Traction board took it. Nicely done, man.
Right. Too much. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, you're good right now. That's good. Stay this way. You're good. Stay. It's okay. It's fine. It's still good. Now you're going to climb on your passenger. Just keep this line. Very nice. Very good. Now a little bit driver. Very slight. Driver. driver a little bit like this, yes. Alright, wait, because you are hitting with that lower arm. Yeah. No, you are just stuck right now. You didn't hit it. Yeah. Good to go. Just go a couple inches, yeah? It's coming up. Yeah. Keep going. You're good. One more, a little bit more. All right. A little bit more. There you go, stop. A little more. Then drop. Yeah, but just a little bit. I don't think you don't have a problem here. You have like a foot. Be good here. Just go a little bit, yeah. So I think you should go up to here somewhere, and then you can go this way. Like another foot, and then turn. I think you're all good. Yeah, you're all good. Yeah, you passed everything already. You're all clear. There you go. Okay, so we did as much as we could. Unfortunately, this is way too big for our trucks. And sometimes like this, you try and you go as far as you can, and then you just have to make a U-turn if possible, go back and try another section. So I can see here there's absolutely no way. We don't have that much clearance on our pickup trucks, and more you go, the worse look. Of course you can bypass on a side, but we don't do that. So either we can do the trail we tried to do, or we just say like, okay, we did as much as we can, and thank you so much, let's try something else. And like you see, let's go on and on and on and on. So this is it for us at this section. It's a red.
You're good. Yep. Dude. This was definitely the hardest climb so far. The top of 93D to get to the intersection with 93C. And I made the mistake of not having my axle locked up, my rear axle, and so it was even more fun. But Lucas is probably gonna have a little bit of a struggle some of those spots because it's kind of very rocky down there. So let's see. Oh, I can see his headlights coming up. Let's see. He's made it through basically almost all the hard stuff, so that's good. Still coming. See his headlights coming. Uh-oh. A little Indoraptor momentum, baby.
So we have another crazy situation. I anchor Indoraptor to the tree. I know, I think it's good actually. That's good.
You want to put something on that?
Nah, I don't think it's gonna be that much pressure. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that much pressure. Basically, rig is in very bad situation right now, and as much as we probably can make it this down, then there is absolutely no way we can climb up this way when we have to U-turn and come back. That would definitely damage his car. So we're gonna try to slowly winch it back and make a U-turn. And somehow we need to do all this way we did, which was super crazy, back. Yeah, this section is so bad. That's the route I actually, oops, I scratched my truck. Now it's Rick going back this way, which may be a little bit more easy. You clear good. Try to hit to the driver as much as you can, as high as you can. Yeah, good, because you stay away from that road. You have like 3 feet to the road, so you're good. As per now, you have a lot of room. You're good, you're clear. Yeah, perfect, beautiful, bro. Alright, we're on the last section, which is like really long uphill, pretty steep, very muddy, slippery. So now we see. But this is, we're going back because we had to make a U-turn. So this is only our option. And after that, we have a couple miles to the campsite, and then we can relax. Overall, the trails we did today was awesome. They were very advanced, I will say. A lot of obstacles, very muddy, climb up, very steep down. So it was very, very cool and nice day. And now we have the last part. So Rick's going to take it first with his TRX, and he's on the 40s now. And then I'm gonna try with my Indoraptor on 37s. But this is the last crazy section. Yeah, that's why I didn't say anything, because we are still struggle. We still have some problem anchored to the tree right now, and basically Rick was plowing with his diff. So you try to be smart. Just so you understand exactly what's happened, there you go. That's basically how he plowed with diff on the 40s. Oh shit, I know what's happening. Alright, so we were like, what the heck is going on with the TRX? And now we know. Look at this, guys. So basically what's happened, and we didn't see when he was climbing up, he just completely lost that tire, it's a flat tire. And that's probably why he started slipped and all those things. Man, what a day. Okay, one out. One in.
You want to throw that for a minute?
Almost success. Good luck, brother. Just need to start a little bit faster.
Yeah?
Yeah. How different it is now, huh? All right.
That's our turn.
The only spot I can see possible, it would be this rock to break this valve. There's only one spot here. It makes sense because you could lose the air here and then just struggle right here.
Can I do? All right, Lucas's turn. My turn took 2 hours because I blew my tire. Let's see how he does. Oh, yes. Woo! Good job, man.
But it's working.
Look, Tim. Look at the gap.
Oh, you
There
see?
it is. Wait, come over here. See this one. Hurry. Don't put your fingers. Just watch it. Here it comes.
Oh! There you go.
Yay! Look at it. Look at it.
Look at that valve.
Glue tread, dude.
That's awesome, man. That's really good thing, bro.
You're a lifesaver, Lucas. Thanks, brother.